Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Ollie Ace and I'm a Builderall affiliate. Now in this video, what I wanted to give you was my top 2 tips in terms of putting yourself in the best position to obtain Builderall affiliates. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, so Ollie, how have you been able to pull out 32 affiliates in just short of 3 months? And the answer is, to be quite honest, is not only to make sure that you've got the focus, the consistency, but also the correct process to be following. But you need to make sure that to some extent you are organized. Okay, this is so important, and this is what I try to do each and every day that I tackle my affiliate business. Now, the first tip is to make sure that you are keeping yourself focused on what tasks are making or giving you the best returns in terms of generating an income. Okay, that would be my first tip. So what I'm basically talking about there is that any task that you do when you are working within Builderall as an affiliate, and obviously your overall goal is to gain affiliates, for at least the first 4 to 6 weeks, you need to make sure that you are in a position that you're having your membership pay for itself. So with that in mind, what you need to do is that any task that you undertake, okay, needs to have a direct impact on generating an income. Okay, that's key, and that's first and foremost what I encourage my team to do in their first 4 to 6 weeks. Because let's face it, okay, if you're a part of a business that is basically hemorrhaging $50 every month, okay, and you're not making that money back, it's going to put you in a tough, challenging position, because obviously, you're part of this business, and as much as you want to promote the product and give value to others, you need to make sure that you're in the best position so that you're not throwing away money every single month, right? So that's why I say that any task that you partake in or undertake, you have to make sure that it's having a direct impact on you making an income. Okay, so no matter what those tasks are, just make sure, just keep a track. Okay, every day when you're about to work on your affiliate business, you need to think about, okay, so I'm going to do this task. How is this going to impact my income? Is it going to have a direct impact on my income? And if it does, or the closer that the closer it is to having some impact toward your income, then okay, I'm going to do that task. Okay, you need to list it in priority. Now, for me, I make sure that I have no more than 3 to 4 tasks a day. Okay, because first of all, you don't want to overwhelm yourself, because it's very easy in any business to overwhelm yourself with a whole load of things to do. And what happens is that when you become overwhelmed and you start doing all different things, okay, you basically do bits of a whole load of tasks, but you're not really moving forward. You're kind of stagnant, and you get frustrated and you get overwhelmed, and then worst case scenario is you just end up giving up, because you're so overwhelmed, and you feel that you've got so much to learn, you feel that you've got to do so many things all at once, when really you don't. Okay, and if you follow this process where you're just basically undertaking 3 to 4 tasks and making sure they have a direct impact on you generating an income, okay, it's a lot more digestible, it's a lot more manageable, but most importantly, you are making, or you're getting that step closer to generating an income. And remember, for me, for the first 4 to 6 weeks, you need to be making sure that your membership is paying for yourself. Okay, so the overall goal is to make sure you bring in at least 1 affiliate. Okay, so that's the first top tip. My other top tip is to track your progress. Again, it's very easy to be doing tasks every single day, but not necessarily understanding where you are in your journey. Okay, so you need to make sure that you are also tracking your progress. No matter how small that progress is, it is progress, right? And it means that you're a lot further today than you were yesterday. So it's important that you track your progress. Jot it down, jot it down in a pad, put it on your PC, whatever it takes to just remind you that you are making progress. Because again, you don't want to be in a situation where you feel you're not getting anywhere. And it's very easy to feel like that. It's very easy to feel that you're not getting anywhere, but in fact, you've got a lot further than you would give you credit for, because you know, you haven't tracked it. So, you know, that would be my second top tip, is to make sure that you track your progress. Now, I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. So I'm going to leave it there. You continue having a great day. Stay lit, and I'll see you on my next video.